Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I'm showing you a beautiful townhouse just in the heart of the historical centre of Ostuni. So without further ado, let's start to go inside. Now this is 160 square metres of property I'm showing you today, and it's all fully finished and ready to be moved into. So the beautiful thing about this property is you have this very tall ceiling, so they've managed to create a second floor out of it. Now this is a 3-bedroom property with 2 bathrooms, and again I'll show you with the drone where we are located in the historical centre, because we're literally about a 50-second walk from the main square, so such a good location. You can see we've got the parquet floors here as well. So this is the sitting room, lounge area. We've got plenty of storage space behind here, and again you can see the property is fully finished. There is no work that needs to be done here. I love these little details that we've got in the walls here. You've got little lights showing up what is on the shelves. But let's start to go up to the first bedroom here. So we're just going to walk up these stairs, and you can see just how tall these ceilings are, because we've got a really good sized room up here and lots of space. It's not like I'm ducking, as you can see me in some of the properties I'm having to duck. Here we've got tons of space here. So a really nice bedroom here. It actually gets a lot of the light from the main entrance itself, and you can just see how spacious this is. And this is so rare. If you notice the properties that we take on in the historical centre, it's all very small, and it's very difficult to find properties that have, you know, a really livable space rather than just a holiday home. So I think this is going to cater more to people who are looking for a property to live in over a longer period, which obviously one of the most important things is that it's also got heating, so can be lived in the winter time, and definitely a really suitable property to be lived in all year round. We're coming through to the first bathroom here. So again, it's first bathroom of 2 bathrooms. Just quickly show them this bathroom, and you can see it's fully accessorized, huge shower. You've got the mood light as well in here, but obviously you've got the dual sinks, and it gives you an idea of the importance of this property and just, you know, who it's going to be catering to. This brings me through to this beautiful dining area, which is just off the kitchen, and you can see we've got some of the light coming in from one of the most pretty alleys in the historical centre of Ostuni. Just look how cute they have those baskets that have been hung up, and you can just see it looks like a postcard, but that is the view from one of the windows. So absolutely stunning. Really, again, a really good sized dining area. Here we have the kitchen, which is, again, it's fully finished and there's nothing that needs to be added. It really does have everything in here, between the microwave, oven, fridge, you name it, we have it. And I love here we actually have all the way up to the ceiling. So there's a great feeling of space in this property. And again, I'm not having to duck or, you know, kind of squeeze my way through, which is lovely, lovely to feel in this kind of a house. Really good size storage room here, which also has the washing machine. And there is actually a snippet of sea view as well for those sea view lovers, if you are looking for that. But coming back upstairs here, so again, we've got a second bedroom area here, and they've been really wise and clever in how they've used the space here. So really good sized bedroom here. Again, you don't see me ducking, and I am just under 6 foot. So I'm a good size, and you can see it's not a cramped room at all. And again, they've been really clever using the space, because these rooms, they all feel spacious and very light as well. So another really good sized bedroom. That is bedroom number 2. But we have the nicest bedroom coming up, which is towards the end of the property. Now here we actually have the second bathroom. Really all this area here is dedicated to the master bedroom. So we've got the second bathroom here. Again, really good size. We haven't actually opened the window, but there is light that comes into this bedroom, this bathroom. Really incredible size shower. So the bathrooms are really high-end bathrooms in this property, and you can see we've got the bidet, sink. It's a really nice style as well. So really, I can't stress enough how little and really nothing needs to be done here. Now here we have the walk-in closet, which really is incredibly rare to find. So really nice to have all this space. You've got a little bit of a section above for luggage, so it's really nice that you have that as well. Now coming through the final master bedroom here, this is the one which really a difference to the others. You have the tallness of the ceiling, so there's an amazing feeling to this bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. This is an antique property. The walls are very thick. I wanted to quickly show you the entrance to this property as well. So you've got this beautiful archway that leads you into this courtyard. You've got a little antique shop below, but as you can see, it's got these stairs just coming up, and it's just really very cute. All on one floor. A lot of these properties have stairs where you're kind of going all the way up. This one is all on one floor, I'm happy to say. So if you have any more questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.